Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. First of all, welcome to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, my today's video is extremely unique, creative and very simple and easy to make hand embroidery patterns base. The video I am showing, you can use these design patterns for a variety of ways, in a number of ways, to design the type of things or stuff you want to. Apparently, you can design these patterns for designing your pillow covers, for your cushion covers, and not only this, you can also design these onto your table mats, chair covers, or any type of home decor or stylish accessory. But the scope is not only limited to this one. You can also use these floral and beautiful combination of hand embroidery patterns for designing a wide variety of items. Like you can design these onto your baby girl frocks, shirts, dupattas and anything type of dresses. Like you can make these patterns onto your handmade, hand knitted sweaters, cardigans, ponchos as well, because all of these designs are wider big flower patterns, and all of these floral patterns could be easily made by using staple, anchor, DMC or wool embroidery. So first part of our video was containing hand embroidery patterns totally made on the required designed fully whole item, like whole embroidery, cushion cover or a pillow cover. Now let's move towards the second part of our video. In this you will be seeing hand embroidery patterns, floral patterns that you can use to make or decorate your pillow covers as well. Friends, all of these designs are extremely easy to make, and this video collection of very beautiful color combination hand embroidery design ideas is an absolutely attractive thing for hand embroidery beginners, for the persons who are in search of finding some new, creative, unique and very beautiful embroidery patterns. So friends, I have a request to you which is very simple and very easy to fulfill. That is, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe right now, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, with all your love, your support, your continuous positive and loving feedback about our content, we have been able to reach a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So keep spreading our content with your friends and family members, keep sharing and keep showing your love like you always have been, so that we could grow up into a larger and a larger number of YouTube friends and family members with each and every rising day. And please do make a habit of leaving comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you on daily basis. With this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch my video till end, and if you have watched my video till end, then do visit my channel and watch different playlists like hand embroidery designs, mehndi designs, bedsheet designs, dress design ideas, party wear dresses, footwear, baby girl dress designing ideas, and each and everything related to the women fashion world. So stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Jazakallah for watching.